Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Monterey Jack from the Rescue Rangers. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share with somebody else who likes Monterey Jack or someone else who likes to draw. Any of that would be awesome. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start drawing Monterey Jack with his nose. Just an oval shape. And then on top of the nose, well actually on the sides, I'm going to do a little line right there and a little line right here. And then we can do two ovals. For the eyes. And inside those shapes, I'm going to do one like this and one like that. And we can do a little small black circle in both of them. I'm just going to thicken up this line here. All right, so next let's do the mustache. So coming in now from the middle, underneath the nose, and we can start to do a little mustache shape. Like that. And try to make it around the same size on both sides. And in the middle here, we're going to do just a little U shape. And then we can do a middle line right there for the tooth. His little tooth there. And then we can do a little U shape here for a bottom lip. And then right here, we can do the bottom of his face. Bring it here to the mustache. And now we can do the top of the head. We're going to do a line like this right here and one right here on top of those eyes and shape right here in between them. And coming down here from the eye, we're going to have a little strap, and we're going to do that on both sides. And that's the strap for his headpiece, the goggles. So we've got just a strap here so far, but we can do kind of like a hill, kind of going up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill. And we're going to follow that same shape again. And now let's do some ears. Kind of a shape like that. And do our best to match it on the other side. So now we can do a little curve right here and right here, a little one here in the middle. And we can draw a line right here and same on the other side. And then we can do the inside of the ear. So just a few little lines. And I'm going to put a line here and do a few little lines for the inside of the ear. All right, so now we've got Monterey's face all done. And let's see, let's start with the coat. So we're gonna do shape like that. And we're gonna come out again and come on back in. And so this is the collar of his coat. Come on down. And that collar can connect to this line. And let's see, over here on this side, we can do that collar too. So we can do the same thing we just did. But before we do this line on this side, I'm going to do a hand. So I'm going to start like around right here, and do one finger and two more, and then the rest of the hand there. And I'm going to do a little curve right here, so it's the inside of the coat, so we can color that in dark if we want. And then do a little line there. And this is the sleeve of his coat now. And do a little elbow. And bring it on in. And now we can do that long line on this side. Like that. And this line here, we can bring it closer to the edge of the coat here. So let's do the hand on this side. Just start with a line like that. And we can do 1, 2, 3 fingers and a thumb. And let's see, we can bring it up a little bit, and we have a little elbow right here, and bring it on up to there. And we can put a line coming up here and going out that way, and just a few little folds here, little folds in the fabric. So now we can finish this part of the coat with an edge right here, and we'll finish this side over here as well. We can put a little pocket here, and let's do the neck of his sweater. Just doing 2 little lines here, and then a big curve, and we can do some lines coming down this way, nice thick lines. And over here we can do curve, and I'm going to do another one, and we can put those lines here too, and we got nice thick gaps in between them. And now we can do another curve right there, and we can bring down a line right here and a little line here, and same on the other side. And now we can do those feet. Put a little toe in there, another one, and we're going to do the same on the other side. A couple little toes. All right, so we are finished our drawing of Monterey Jack, and I'm going to get started coloring. All right, everyone, we are done today's doodle. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Goodbye!